Hello, welcome to my Arduino simulation in TinkerCAD for the tracking robot. I'll start with the code. As you can see over here, I've included the servo library, and then I declared variables for pretty much everything: pin placement, zone on off for the servo motors, sensor outputs. In the void setup, I initialized all the servos, initialized the pins for the RGB LED, and as well as the input for the motion sensors. In my main loop, I'm reading from the sensors. I'm just printing that out in serial monitor just for viewing purposes. Eventually, that could be used to output to a screen if necessary. So I have a series of if if statements here. Pretty much if sensor 1's tripped, it's going to activate its zone 1. So it'll call the activate zone method down here. So whichever sensor's tripped, it sets zone equal to that number. Then I just have a basic switch case statement down here. Pretty much saying if zone 1's triggered, turn all the servos except for zone 1 off and turn zone 1 on. And then set my RGB to red. Zone 2, same thing, just except zone 2 servos turned on, and we're at a blue light. So, real quick, for testing purposes, I've sectioned my enclosure for the animal into 4 zones. So I have 1 servo motor for each zone and 1 motion sensor for each zone. I have a RGB LED to simulate IR output to go to the treat giving robot so it knows what zone is in. So I'm already running the simulation. As you can see, no zones have been tripped yet, so everything's set to 0, which in this case is 90 degrees on the servo. So zone 1 trips, we have servo 1 set to 135 degrees, and our red RGB LED is activated. Zone 2 is tripped. I set zone 1 to 0, zone 2 to 135 degrees. Zone 3 is tripped. Both these are now 0. We got 135 degrees here. Same thing here. So that trips. Zone 4 is set to 135. The rest are set to 90 degrees, which again is the 0 for the servos. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this. You can take a look at my CAD model and you can see how these work, and they'll push up a model up over a table so the customer can see where they're at. So, and also I have this set up so that if there's no motion detected, it will stay the same, so the servo will stay active, so that way we'll know just the general last location of the animal.